Beautifully renovated 3-bedroom, 1-bath beach cottage. Only 4 blocks to the beach with a public beach access at the end of Atlanta Avenue. Home upgrades include custom kitchen, concrete countertops, stainless steel appliances, new cabinets, hickory wood floors in main living area, ceramic tile floor in bathrooms, new metal roof in 2011, and built-in shelves in living area. Home also features outdoor shower, fenced-in backyard, detached shed, and beautifully landscaped back and front yard. Agent is owner.